We're here at Lake Elsinore today, and we decided to take a drive and go around to some of the local lakes today and get a video, see if lake levels have come up after the big rains we had this year. I took my drone out and flew it here today. It's a little bit on the windy side, so I'm trying to keep from getting the wind to disturb my microphone. But what a view. It's such a beautiful view here. I can't get away from the wind, and I forgot my... What do you got? Oh, it fell off of the palm tree.
Palm tree?
Yeah, I don't know what those are.
Yeah.
Anybody can tell us what they are? They're falling off of this palm tree here.
A lot.
Anyhow, the park looks really good. It's so much nicer looking this year because it was so wet and kept everything growing. We didn't actually come to this part of the park before. And it's only in the mid-60s today, but people are still out on the lake skiing and having a good time. I barely was able to fly my drone. It's so windy. I had to put it in sport mode so to come back against the wind.
From Lake Elsinore. Bye.
It's going to post her up right now. It'll be a short video. Sure.
Okay. Elsinore. That is so cool. Very nice area.
I'll be darned, isn't that something? Loaner life jackets. That's really nice of people to come leave their life jackets here for people to borrow. Yeah, that's really a good deal. So, I hope you can hear our content with the wind blowing.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could
2 weeks. And it's been overcast, windy, and rainy every day except for 2. We had 2 days that hit 93 and 94 degrees. Anyhow, if you wouldn't mind, reach down to the bottom down there, mash the like and subscribe, support our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us. So this is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.